The high winds will be whipping through East County. The winter winds are happening as CAL FIRE San Diego's Ramona Air Attack Base is under construction. I spoke with the agency about how crews are prepared to respond to fire dangers happening now and for the future. Enjoy the calm breeze and 80-degree temps for now.
We have winds anywhere between 30 to 20 miles an hour throughout the county.
That's CAL FIRE San Diego Captain Mike Cornette. He tells me the winds are going to pick up overnight on Monday and last through Wednesday.
It is dry, it is warmer than seasonal average, so we are experiencing heightened fire danger.
But the rain we've got over the last month helps what fuels possible fires.
We are starting to get grass, green grass, which is a benefit for us, but going into next fire season, that's going to provide for additional fine dead fuels that are receptive to embers and burn a lot quicker than brush.
As we wait for the wind, there's also the sights and sounds of progress at CAL FIRE's Ramona Air Attack Base.
We're doing a total reconstruction of the retardant loading bays here at Ramona Air Attack Base in anticipation of the C-130 that we're getting in the spring. And to make it more efficient, we're putting, instead of these turnaround bays, we're having more of a pit-style retardant base.
ABC 10 News has reported on the scheduled construction for the C-130 air tanker. Despite the retrofitting for the really big airplane, Cornette says they're prepared for whatever fires may come right now as we welcome future firefighting resources.
And the only thing that's changed is these air tankers, instead of reloading with retardant here, have to go to Hemet Ryan Airport to reload. So that's the only difference. There's a bit of lag time for that, but we have already set in place that we're going to augment the response with additional air tankers.
Ryan Hill, ABC 10 News.